Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. It means so much to me. Today we're doing soda cracker pork chops. These are so juicy and delicious. You're gonna use some pork chops, salt and pepper, 2 eggs, some soda crackers, and you're just gonna fry that in oil. And this is my husband's recipe. I've never made it. He is always the one that makes it, so he will be guest starring again today, which I love. It's so fun to cook with him. So first, he trimmed the fat off of the pork chops because I make him do that. I don't think he would normally do it on his own. And then he whisks those eggs. Normally we have my sister's eggs from her chickens, but she's got a channel of her own that people watch for seeing her birds. But he takes the sleeve of soda crackers and he just crunches them right up in the container. How efficient. And then opens it up and tosses them out on a tray. And then he's going to flip-flop the pork chops around inside of, in the eggs till they're coated nicely. And this is so funny. So he just puts them on the saltine crackers and just coats them, crams the crackers all over the pork chops. The first time I saw him do this, I was just like, what? Really? That's all? He didn't even use to put salt and pepper at all. He would only egg, cracker, fry, done. But now he does actually put salt and pepper near the end. He says he doesn't like to do it at the beginning before putting the crackers on because he doesn't notice that he can taste it anyway. But when he puts it on after, then he feels like he can at least taste the salt and pepper. So he crammed it in there really good. He flips it several times, crams it on there really good so he gets a lot of them to stick. He likes the dust to get in there too to kind of fill in the gaps. Kills me every time I see that clump of crackers fall on the floor because it makes me want to sweep the floor again. But so he did about 11 minutes on medium low, and of course you want to use a meat thermometer and make sure that is cooked to the middle because it's not fun to undercook pork. I've talked to people who have had salmonella. It's just not a good thing. And so when you put that meat thermometer in there, you want to put it in near the bone too, because that's where it's going to be the coolest, and that's where you want it to reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 62-ish, 63 Celsius for my German subscribers, which I'm collecting a lot of German subscribers in Germany, which I love because my husband's part German. But so then he's got 2 of those done. We did the third one later, and they just turned out perfect. I was looking at this video, and I'm like, we need to do this with chicken. That would be really awesome with chicken. But anyhow, so then I didn't do like a pretty picture with a garnish or anything this time. It's just so wonderful on its own. Crispy on the outside. Perfect salt, pepper is all you need. Always, every single time, super juicy inside. It just seals all the juices inside. It's just fabulous. Always been a favorite. When my sister hears my husband's making these, she's like, oh really? What day? I'll be there. So anyway, I hope you give it a try. It's just delicious. Thanks for watching.